Assembly and commissioning tutorial for belt-type electric lifting system. Step 1. First, fix the motor head bracket. This square hole is for side mounting of the motor head bracket. We fix it directly to the wall side with screws. For ceiling mounting, face the hole upward and fix the bracket to the ceiling. First, secure the motor head bracket in place. Slide the motor onto the winding tube. Then fit the limit slot on the motor head into the corresponding slot inside the winding tube. Thread the drive belt onto the winding tube. Then slide the winding tube into the motor head bracket with the limit hole facing downward for easy subsequent adjustment. Then slide the universal middle support onto the winding tube. Slide the fixing bracket on this side onto the subsequent winding tube and reel in sequence. Then connect the rear universal wheel and fasten it with screws. Then fix this side as well and slide the remaining winding tubes into place at the rear. For the last section of the track, slide the end plug onto the winding tube as the final fitting, then slide the tail bracket onto the tube. Align the hole on the tail bracket with the corresponding hole on the end plug, then fasten them with screws. Insert the cotter pin into this round hole to prevent the track from slipping off. Then insert the cotter pin on the motor head first. After lowering the drive belt completely, ensure all components are at the same starting point. With this as the starting point, clip the screw into the slot to prevent sliding during subsequent use. Now splice the lifting system with the opening and closing system. First, turn on the motor. It will emit a beeping sound after power on. While the beeping sound is active, select the corresponding channel on the remote control. Then press the P1 button on the remote control. The beeping will stop and the motor will jolt once, indicating code pairing is completed. Then lower the entire belt reel completely. After the motor reaches the limit point, if the height is insufficient and further lowering is needed, adjust the lower travel limit by turning the adjuster clockwise toward the plus sign. The belt will lower a little with each turn. Keep turning until the desired height is reached. First, insert the nano strip into the track. After the nano strip is fully inserted, bend the track according to the shape and angle of the curtain on site. Adjust the dimensions, then gently bend the track little by little at the intended bending points. Do not bend at an excessive angle at one time. We are now assembling the Gallus flexible 2-in-1 track. First, slide the thin connecting strip into place and fasten it tightly with screws. After the track is spliced, first thread the drive belt into the gearbox and pull one end out. Straighten the drive belt and thread it into the track. First, clip the first fastener onto the drive belt, then fit it into the first slider. Slide the slider into the track and align it flush with the track edge. Then use a tape measure to mark a length of 11 to 11.5 centimeters extending from this side of the track, and cut off the excess belt. Reserve a length of 11.5 centimeters and cut off the excess drive belt. Pinch the drive belt on this side, then move to the other side and pull the gearbox out slightly. Leave 3 teeth of the belt extending from the track on this side, then clip a fastener onto it. Then fit the trolley into the track. Insert the corresponding number of ball bearings. And fasten the locking clip tightly. After the drive belt is threaded, first clip a belt fastener onto the belt and attach it to the first slider. Install the hold end of the slider at the front with the wheels facing forward. Align the slider flush with the track opening. Mark a 9.5 centimeters length of the belt extending from this track position and cut off the excess. Secure the belt on this side, then pull the gearbox out slightly on the other side. Then thread the drive belt into the gearbox on this side and pull it out from the designated opening. Clip a belt fastener onto the belt. Then fit the slider onto the fastener. Insert the corresponding number of ball bearings, slide the locking clip into place, and tighten it securely. Install the trolley connecting screw and attach the trolley arm. Then fit the lifting bracket into place. First, remove the thin connector from the middle of the track. After taking it out, remove the screws from the thin connector. Insert the slider into the back of the track. We have installed 3 sliders on this side. Then slide the connector to this side and install another 3 sliders here as well. After installing this component, splice the track back together and secure it in place. Fasten the corresponding screws and just hand tighten them without fully tightening. The track needs to be movable for subsequent position adjustments. After the track is assembled, lift it up first. Now the track is raised, and the drive belt is tilted. We need to straighten it by first loosening the fixing screws on the upper part. The reel is adjustable left and right, move it to align the belt into a straight line. Loosen the original fixing screw slightly, then push the reel to this side to make it flush. Align it perfectly with the track in a straight line, then fasten the screw again. This one is offset to the right, loosen the screw and move it to the left. After the track is raised, the two sides are not level. We need to adjust the drive belt slightly upward. First lower the track a little, all the way down for easier operation. Loosen the two screws here slightly. The drive belt will be movable after loosening the screws. If, for example, this side of the belt is 2 centimeters too long, lower the belt slightly on this side. Pull out the excess length of the belt from this side after lowering. After the adjustment is done, fasten the screws again securely. Now that the commissioning is completed, fully tighten all the remaining screws. After installation, there is a gap at this position, causing left and right wobble. To prevent it from bumping against the bracket on this side, drive a screw here for extra fixation. First press the down button on the remote control to lower the track. The motor stops automatically when it reaches the preset lower limit, but the height is not sufficient for our needs. We need to lower it further by adjusting the yellow adjustment hole. Turn it counterclockwise toward the plus sign. A small turn will lower the track a little. Keep turning until the track reaches the desired height, then stop. If the track is lowered too much during adjustment and we need to reduce the travel distance, use the same yellow adjustment hole and turn it clockwise to reduce the lower travel limit. Now commission the upper travel limit. The track is still a bit short of the desired upper position. Adjust it by turning the white adjustment hole clockwise toward the plus sign. A small clockwise turn will raise the track a little. Keep turning until the desired upper height is reached. If the track keeps rising without stopping, it means the upper travel limit is set too long. Turn the white adjustment hole counterclockwise to reduce the upper travel limit. Keep reducing the travel until the track stops automatically at the desired upper position.